Welcome to class of Understanding Patent Act. Today we will understand chapter 13 of Patent Act, which is Register of Patents. Let's start. First one is Register of Patents and particulars to be entered therein, which is section number 67, rule number 88, 93 and 94. The Register of Patents maintained by the Patent Office is a digital record managed by the Controller of Patents. It's accessible online as a e-register of patents and contains key information about each patent, including first one is patentee details. The register lists the patent holder's name, address and nationality. Second one, patent updates. It shows updates like patent assignments, which is transfer of ownership, licensing, any changes made to the patent, extensions and cancellations. Third one, legal validity. Certified copies or extracts from this register signed by the controller or an authorized officer are legally valid and can be used as evidence in court. Fourth one is patent information. After a patent is granted, the register records details like the title, inventions category, grant and patent dates, and the patentee's contact address and the payment status of renewal fees. Next. Fifth one, changing details in the patent register. If you need to update information like the name, nationality or address related to a patent, you can request these changes from the controller of patents. The controller may ask for proof of the changes before approving. Once approved, the details are updated in the electronic patent register. Sixth one is adding an extra address. A patent owner can request to add another address in India for official communication. They need to submit this in writing and pay a fee. If the controller agrees, this extra address will be added to the e-register. And last one, seventh one is public access to patent entries. All patent entries are available for public view on the official patent website through the e-register. This system helps keep the patent information updated and accessible to the public. Next are rules. First one is rule number 88, which is patent register. In that, first, when a patent is granted, the controller records the patentee's name, address, nationality, invention title, patent date, grant date and service address in the register. Second one is any legal proceedings related to the patent are also recorded in the register. And third one is if the register is electronic, only people authorized by the controller can access or change it. Next is rule number 93, entry of renewal fee. When the renewal fee for a patent is paid, the controller will first one is record the payment and its date in the patent register, and second one issue a certificate confirming the patent's renewal. Rule number 94, alteration of address. First one, requesting changes. A patentee can apply in writing with a fee to the controller to update their name, nationality, address for service. The controller may require proof, especially for name or nationality changes. Second one, approval of changes. Once approved, the controller will update the register with the new details. And third one is adding an address for service in India. A patentee may also request an additional address for service within India, which will be added to the register once the controller is satisfied. Next, section number 68 and 69, which is registration of assignments or transfer of rights. Rule number 90, 91, 92 and form number 16. In that, first one is validity of assignment. An assignment of a patent or a share in patent, a mortgage, license or any other interest in a patent is valid only if it is in writing, And second one, the agreement between the parties is documented, covering all the terms and conditions. And third one, it has properly executed. Second one is application for registration. A person entitled to a patent or a share in it by assignment, transmission or operation of law, or entitled to an interest in the patent as a mortgage, licensee, etc., may apply in writing using form number 16 to the controller for registration of their title or notice of interest in the register. Second one is the application can also be made by the assigner, mortgager, licensor or another party involved. Third one, in the case of a license granted under a patent, the controller must ensure, if requested by the patentee or licensee, that license terms are not disclosed to anyone unless ordered by a court. Third one is registration process. Upon receiving the application and proof of title or interest, the controller will first one verify the title or interest, and second one enter appropriate particulars into the register. Fourth one is dispute resolution. If there is a dispute between parties, the controller can refuse to update the patent register until the dispute is resolved by the competent court. Fifth one is evidence of title. Except for applications for registration or rectification of rights in the patent register, any document not entered in the register cannot be used as evidence for patent ownership in a court or by the controller, unless they record reasons in writing for allowing it. Next is license confidentiality. If requested by the patentee or licensee, the terms of the license must remain confidential, only to be disclosed by a court order. And last one is document submission. All documents affecting patent ownership, like assignments or transfer records, must be submitted to the controller with the application. This includes a certified scanned copy, and the controller may request additional proof of title or consent if needed. Next are rules. First one is rule number 90. Registration of title and interest in patents. In that, first, applications for title or interest registration under section number 69 subsection 1 or section number 69 subsection 2 must be submitted using form number 16. Second one, any application for entering documents that affect patent ownership by the beneficiary must also use form number 16. Next is rule number 91, presentation of patent assignment or transfer documents. In that, when submitting a patent assignment or transfer document, applicants must provide it to the controller along with the application. This should include 2 certified copies of the document. The controller may request additional proof of ownership or written consent if necessary. Rule number 92, registering title or interest in a patent. In that, once the application under section number 69 subsection 1 and subsection 2 is received, the controller will register the title or interest in the patent. An entry will be made in the register in the following format, like on application received on date, proprietor name, assignment details, registered as status, for example license or mortgage, by virtue of license, mortgage, deed, dated means date, made between party 1 and party 2. Next, section number 70, power of registered guarantee or proprietor to deal with patent. In that, section number 70 of Patent Act provides the registered patent owner with the authority to assign the patent rights, license the patent to others, and manage or transfer the patent rights in other ways. The patent owner may receive payments or other considerations for these transactions. However, They must respect co-ownership rules and any other registered rights. Furthermore, equitable claims on the patent can be enforced in the same way as claims on other movable property. Next is section number 71, rectification of the register of patents. In that first one, applications for rectification. Any person who feels aggrieved can apply to the Intellectual Property Appellate Board IPAB for rectification of the patent register due to A. Missing entries or omissions in the register. B. Entries made in the register without sufficient reason. C. Entries wrongly remaining in the register. And D. Errors or defects in any entry. Second one, notice of application. When an application for rectification is submitted to IPAB, means Intellectual Property Appellate Board, a notice is given to the controller, who has the right to be heard in the application proceedings. Additionally, the controller may be ordered to appear before the IPAB. Third one is rectification process. If the IPAB issues an order for rectification, a notice is sent to the controller. Upon receiving this notice, the controller is responsible for amending the register as directed. Last one, section number 72. Section number 72 of the Patent Act states that the patent register is available for public inspection. Anyone can obtain certified copies for a fee. The register acts as primary evidence of any information recorded under the Act if stored electronically. Public access for viewing or printing records fulfills this requirement. Rule number 95. Inspection of Register of Patents. In that first one, public inspection. The Register of Patents is available for public inspection during office hours. A fee as outlined in the first schedule is required for access. Second one, electronic access. If the register is available in electronic formats like computer floppies or diskettes, access will be provided by an authorized person designated by the controller under Rule 88, Sub-Rule 3. Access can be granted through electronic media or by providing printouts of the records.